Hey, real quick, I'd like you to close your eyes for just a moment, and I'd like you to imagine what you believe would be your ideal life. You know, maybe looking at different aspects of your life, where you might want to be, where you're living, where you're vacationing, who you're with, maybe looking at what you have, maybe just looking at your computer, at your online bank statement and seeing the money that's in there. Whatever it might be, just imagining that. And now, wherever you might see yourself, turn and notice a mirror. And look in that mirror, and I want you to see that person who creates that life. That person who makes those choices, who takes those actions that creates this life. That strong, confident, joyful, loving person. Just allow yourself to enjoy that for a moment. Take a deep breath, open your eyes. Now that person is already there inside you. And there may be just stuff covering it up, old beliefs, old behaviors, stuff that stops you from being your best self. And just like Michelangelo did with carving the David and the other statues, he chipped away what didn't belong to reveal the masterpiece inside. And that's what we're doing with the tapping. And this is what I'm trying to do with all of my videos. But there's nothing so profound as a live workshop where we get together with a group of people and we work together to clear out a lot of that stuff, chipping away a lot of what doesn't belong, to reveal the masterpiece inside, to be your best self so that you can make those choices, take those actions, and create that life. So I hope you'll join me at one of my upcoming events. They're going to be awesome, they're going to be fun, and I look forward to tapping with you soon. Thanks.